I'm super excited to be here for the opening weekend of the 2022 season. I don't think I've been here since 2013 or 2014, so I was super pumped to check out all the new stuff and to ride some of the classics. Of course, no trip to Canobie can start without a ride on the antique cars. Nothing like the rumble of a 60-year-old engine to really get your motion sickness in check for the day. But I do love that you can see so many rides from the antique cars, like the Untamed coaster, the Yankee Cannonball, the skateboard, and even the Sky Ride. And the Untamed is a little too wild for me, so I elected to pass on this today. But it looks like the people who were brave enough to go on it did have a lot of fun. There are some rides that I'm willing to go on, like I've been on the Corkscrew once. Rest in peace, Corkscrew, this is where it used to be. And I love a good water ride. The log flume is one of my favorites, whether it's here at Canobie or at Storyland or Santa's Village. They're all super fun. The large drop on this log flume is relatively small compared to the one at Santa's Village, but it's a bumpy ride. Before you get on, they tell you not to rock the boat, and there's no need to rock the boat, because it does that enough itself. It's jarring almost. And just a warning for all of you guests that bring bags or backpacks to the park, we were not allowed to bring our bags, not even our fanny packs, on most of the rides. You have to leave them with a friend or in the wide open bins next to the queue. We were also told not to film on any rides, so unfortunately the only POV you get from Canobie is what you see in today's video. Just a few steps from the log flume is Canobie's water area, Castaway Island. This has expanded quite a bit since the last time I was here, and now includes a little kiddie pool and what looks like some sort of wave pool. This is also the only place in the park where you can get Dole Whip, so of course I had to get one. I got the pineapple strawberry twist, the perfect blend of sweet and tart. After dipping our toes in the cold water, we decided to head to the Boston Tea Party, my absolute favorite ride at Canobie Lake. Today, it did get shut down for about 30 minutes while we were in line, because someone decided to jump into the closed off area, but that did give me some time to get these video clips as well as a small sunburn on my neck. And yes, I got completely drenched on this ride, but not before I got completely drenched getting this epic clip for you guys. The bridge over the splash area is closed off now, so this is now the only area where spectators can get splashed by the ride. There are lots of rides geared towards kids here at Canobie. Some of them I remember from when I was a kid, and some of them look fairly new. I noticed that the old House of Mirrors is gone, which is unfortunate. It was this small building filled with glass walls and mirrors, set up like a maze that you had to find your way out of. I smashed my face against glass walls many times as a kid in there, so maybe that's why it's not here anymore, too many injuries. For lunch, I got something kind of unique, a fried dough BLT. This was $8, which wasn't too bad compared to other amusement park dining options. The dough itself was pretty greasy, but it was cool to try. And then we ended our first day back at Canobie with a leisurely stroll through some of the gift shops. This is a small park, but we ended up spending 6 hours here, so you'll definitely be able to make an entire vacation day out of Canobie Lake Park. Leave a comment below if you've ever been to Canobie and what your favorite memory is here.